What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes, on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yeah, hello everyone, I go by the name Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and over the years, through my experience in affiliate marketing, I have gathered some ideas and secrets that can make you a successful affiliate marketer. And one of it is that you need a strong backup for your traffic source. Yes, we both know, or we all know that in affiliate marketing, we have two main sources for our traffic. We have the paid traffic system and the free traffic system. Yeah, the paid traffic system include the Facebook ad, solo ad, YouTube ad, and so on. But the free traffic system got the email marketing and etc. And that is where I come in, because I have a affiliate marketing traffic generating software which I developed myself. Yes, I am a software developer, and I have developed several softwares, and due to my difficulty or the problem I face in affiliate marketing, due to my traffic issues, I have developed the affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which I've been using for a while now, and that has been giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, my software works by gathering leads online from digital platforms and search engines and promoting your link or affiliate platform to this organic traffic for you to get excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. Yeah, we both know affiliate marketing work by you selling a particular product for a particular company and getting a commission from every sale you make for the company. And with my software, you are going to have you have access to thousands of free traffic which are going to have access to your platform or your affiliate link, and there's a high guarantee that they are going to purchase what you are selling, because there are methods that are embedded in my video course. Yes, there are methods and techniques which will guide you on which product to sell and how to go about it and how to set up your traffic system. So to get my video course and software today and join the clique of the smartphones that are making edge in affiliate marketing, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my video course and software today and join the clique of the smartphones that are making edge in affiliate marketing. Yes, because affiliate marketing has gone far beyond just sharing link to people on Facebook, but knowing what you are doing by locating targeted traffic which want your product and marketing what you are selling to them. So to get excellent results like this, like the one you can see on the screen, you can always contact me and get the software today. And remember, my video course is self-explanatory, and my software is also applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms and not only Clickbank alone. And you can use my software to generate traffic on any of your affiliate marketing platform, and I can guarantee you a high sale or a big sale like the one you can see on the screen on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So get the software today and video course and start earning good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today and start earning good on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skywet, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.